Hello 5th class, let's take a look at page 125, question 3. So this is the one where it really helps to have a number line, and then you can just count your steps. Okay, so the first one says between plus 3 and plus 5. So we're starting on plus 3, we're stopping at plus 5, so we count 1, 2 jumps. Don't count where you start from. Plus 1 and minus 1. So we're starting here. 1, 2. So that's 2 jumps. Oh, I'm not going in order. Never mind. Minus 2 and plus 4. This is part G. So we're starting at minus 2. And we're going up as plus 4. So we don't count this step. We count when we move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's very important that you don't count the step that you're on, you count when you move. Right, plus 1 and plus 3. 1, 2. Plus 2 and minus 2. Can anybody predict already? So we're at plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 3 and plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 1 and plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 3 and minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last one, minus 4 and plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.